Watch this.
Cool.
No key, no password. Now, face unlock.
Can I try it? Hey,
It doesn't know you.
can it learn me?
Later.
When?
Later, Jack.
What are you two doing?
Testing the new lock. Give it a try.
Can it wait? My hands are full.
10 seconds.
It likes Mom better.
It recognized Mom.
Same thing.
Not the same.
Nice job, Michael.
Guess I won't be needing this anymore. New lock?
Yeah, just installed it.
Looks pretty nice. Honestly, I still like a regular key. You're old school. Maybe. This just makes life easier. If it works for you, that's what matters.
He doesn't like it?
Not everyone likes something new.
I still think it's cool.
Me too.
What's everyone talking about?
There's a meteor tonight.
What's a meteor?
Seriously? It's a little rock from space.
A rock?
Yeah, when it burns up, it looks like a falling star.
Stars can fall?
No, it's just what people call them. Just ask Mom.
Okay. Mom, what's a meteor?
A meteor is a little space rock.
A rock?
When it flies into Earth's atmosphere, it gets so hot that it glows.
Why does everyone want to see one?
There's an old story. People say if you make a wish when you see a meteor, it might come true.
Really? Then I want my wish to come true too.
Then we'll watch for one someday.
Emma said there's one tonight. We have to go see it.
Everyone at school is talking about the shooting stars tonight.
Tonight?
They're supposed to be really easy to see around 1 in the morning.
Can we go see them?
If Dad says yes.
He'll say yes. Dad, can we go see the shooting stars tonight?
Tonight?
Emma said they're out tonight.
If that's true, we should go. I know a place. Nice and dark. I know a great place. Hardly any lights to watch shooting lights.
You do?
About 20 minutes away.
I haven't seen shooting stars in years.
Okay, let's go.
Really?
Really? This will be fun.
Dad, will we really see a shooting star?
I've been there many times. I'm sure we'll see one.
Jack, we're home.
I want to sleep.
Okay. I'll come back for you. I can't believe we didn't see any shooting stars.
There were cars everywhere. We spent more time driving than looking.
Looks like everyone had the same idea. The traffic was bad, but the mud was worse.
I didn't see the mud.
Good thing the tow truck came.
Yeah. Let's get some sleep. Finally. Time for bed.
I can't wait.
Michael, hurry up.
It's okay. I'll use my phone.
Dad, I'm really sleepy.
Let me try. It opened for me this afternoon.
It says the system is updating.
This is my house, and I can't get in.
So, what do we do now?
Let's think. There has to be a way.
I'll go check on Jack.
Michael, what are you doing?
Relax. You can't break it. Trust me.
I'll go see.
Looks like Dad got into trouble again. No. Go back to sleep. I'll wake you when we're inside.
Well, looks like we'll have to wait. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. The kids are exhausted.
Jack is still asleep.
We'll have to wait.
The clouds are gone. Look! Maybe we can still see the shooting stars.
Maybe we still have a chance.
It's already been over an hour.
You never know. We heard the alarm. Everything okay? Yeah. The lock is just updating. Oh. That's a smart lock. It even updates itself.
Did you see the shooting stars tonight?
No. The clouds were here all night. Now they're gone.
Do you need a hand? Or come over some hot chocolate? Thanks. I think it'll be ready soon.
Thank you.
Good night. Good night. Emma and Jack really wanted to see the shooting stars tonight.
We gave it a try. Tonight just wasn't our night.
There's still some hot water. I'll make some hot chocolate.
I never thought a smart lock could let us down.
When was the last time we spent a night outside together like this? I think we'll remember this night for a long time.
Careful, it's still hot.
Thanks, Em.
This is perfect.
Almost there. Come on. Just a little more. Yes! Oh no. The update failed.
Did it work?
No, the internet stopped working. I think the Wi-Fi needs to reconnect.
But the Wi-Fi is inside the house. We need to open the door to open the door.
Let's think. Maybe there's another way.
There are other ways in.
Oh?
Come on. I have an idea.
I can see our sofa, but we can't get in.
Don't bother. I locked it before we left.
Right. Let's try the kitchen window. Wait. Anna, look.
I think it's open.
This might actually work. Come on.
It's tilted open. It won't open from outside.
Mom! Dad! Look! The curtain's moving! The window has to be open!
You're right. That's our way in. If I could get just a little higher, I think I could reach it.
What about the garbage bin? It might be tall enough.
That's worth a try. Let's move it over here.
I'll help!
Come on. Just a little more. I'm closer than I thought. Almost. I just need a little more height.
close.
Please be careful. Don't lean too far.
Dad, you're making me nervous.
Please don't fall. You'll scare us to death.
I still can't reach it. Wait, that might actually work. I'm going to try the trampoline.
The trampoline? Are you sure?
I'm not trying to climb in. I just want to see inside. If I can see what's going on in there, we'll know what to do next.
I can almost see inside. The window really is open. One more look. I can see part of the room. I just need one more jump. Stop!
Seriously? Well, that didn't exactly go as planned.
Michael, are you okay?
Dad, I did tell you not to break our trampoline.
You sure did. I guess you were right.
Dad, did you hear that loud noise?
I sure did. Let's go see what happened. Well, hi, Michael. I guess that trampoline wasn't built for you. John, do you happen to have a ladder? John, thank you. You're a lifesaver.
So, what's the ladder for?
Long story. I'll explain after we get back inside. So, you're still locked out?
Yeah, the smart lock ran into a little problem during an update. Let me guess. Wi-Fi? Believe it or not, yeah, it was the Wi-Fi. This is Jack's room. Good thing the window's still open. Someone's in there. Anna. Anna! I think someone's inside.
A shooting star! I've been waiting all night for this.
It's beautiful. I just wish we could get back inside.
Wow. I've never seen anything like this.
Dad! There's another shooting star!
Wow. I've never seen so many.
Dad? Did you make a wish? The shooting stars are amazing!
Jack?
Dad, I wished I could eat every delicious food in the whole world.
Jack? How did you get inside?
I got cold, so I came home. But why are you on a ladder?
Jack, we'll talk later. Now, I need you to go downstairs and open the door for us.
Can I watch for just one more minute?
Jack, now.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Well, looks like you guys are finally home. Come on, Harvey. Let's head back.
John, Harvey, thank you so much for staying with us tonight. We couldn't have done this without you.
Don't mention it. Besides, we gotta see those beautiful shooting stars.
Best night ever!
Good night.
Jack, did you see the shooting stars? Did you make a wish? Of course! I wished I could eat every delicious food in the world.
Jack, how did you get inside?
I used my key. Didn't Dad tell you? This afternoon, Dad threw the key into the trash. I picked it up because I thought we might need it someday.
You were smarter than me.
Good thinking, Jack. That key saved all of us tonight.
Jack, our trampoline is broken. What? It broke?
Yeah, I kind of broke it tonight.
Can we get another one?
Not just another one. We'll get a bigger trampoline.
Really?
I promise.
Dad, do you still trust smart locks? Just in case. I'm keeping mine.
Me too. From now on.
Wait a second. Jack, that's my key. Give it back. Tomorrow I'll make your own copy.
No! What if the Wi-Fi goes down again?